Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 Insider preview build for the Canary channel, which is the build 25997. This should be the last build before the build 26000. So as always, in this video, we're going to talk about what is new, what has changed, and also what is fixed in this latest build for the Canary channel. If you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. Before starting the video, a quick message from our video sponsor. This video is sponsored by Easys Partition Master. Easys Partition Master is an all-in-one free partition manager designed for individual users. With the software, you have the options to copy OS data to another HDD or SSD and convert MBR to GPT for the Windows 11 upgrade. Along with that, you can also do simple tasks such as create, delete, resize, merge, format partitions, and more. It works perfectly on Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, 8.1, and Windows 7. Make sure to check out Easys Partition Master from the links in the description below. Let's continue with the video. First of all, in this build, Microsoft is providing ISOs, so you could just go into the official Microsoft website and then select the edition, for example, the Canary channel, the latest build 25997, click on confirm, and then you're going to have to select the product language, for example, English United States, confirm, and then the ISO will be offered to you. First of all, in this build, regarding Windows Share, if you're signed in with a Microsoft Entra ID, your Microsoft Teams, work, or school contacts will appear in the Windows Share window to quickly share too. Microsoft is also beginning to roll out a new option under Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, and then Phone Link to disable Phone Link altogether in Windows 11. This setting will prevent Phone Link from communicating with your mobile devices. Of course, that is slowly rolling out. That's why I don't have it on this computer yet, but I showed it to you in previous builds from the dev channel and so on. One feature that is pretty interesting in this build is Microsoft adding a refresh button to the Wi-Fi section of Quick Settings. So basically, if you open Quick Settings and then expand the Wi-Fi section, you're going to notice a new button at the bottom right hand side of the section which says refresh network list. For me, the button is working perfectly. As you can see, I can easily refresh Wi-Fi connections, but I've heard that for some people it doesn't work properly, and that's why maybe Microsoft didn't document it as an official feature yet. Of course, they're testing it out, but it's something that is really nice because before, let's say you were to make a mobile hotspot for your Windows operating system on a laptop, for example, you had to just turn off and turn on then Wi-Fi to refresh the list of Wi-Fi connections. So that's a really nice addition, and of course, it's working pretty good for me. Microsoft is also adding the smoother animations for Copilot. I cannot show it to you right now in this build because I don't have Copilot enabled here, but of course I've showed it to you before on builds from the dev channel as an example. We also have some fixes in this build. For example, Microsoft fixed an issue causing some insiders to see the latest builds unexpectedly fail to install with 0x8000 4005 errors. They fixed an issue causing some insiders to see an increase in bug checks after upgrading to the previous build, and they also fixed an issue where the context menu, file explorer, as well as the command bar drop-downs might go transparent sometimes. And related to known issues, Microsoft is working on a fix for an issue where attempting to reboot into safe mode hangs on the boot logo, and also attempting to navigate to settings, Bluetooth and devices touchpad on this build will crash settings. So this is pretty much all there is to it in this build. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.